So in today's video, we have the Zeesea. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. This is a monthly subscription box that is $40 a month. Now, last month was the first time that I unboxed it. I thought it was pretty good. I do pay for this myself. This is the makeup that you see a lot of the titles like the world's beautifulest makeup. Anyway, their brand came out with a beauty box. So if you want to see what's inside, is it worth the $40? Then keep on watching. All right, so if you're wondering why it looks like this, so last month was the first time that I ever got this, and it came in a box, right? And so I ordered a few things, right, from Amazon and different things, and it had this packaging over it. And I don't know, because I felt this thing right here, like you could feel it through it, and I didn't look. When you look, it doesn't say Zeesea, it just says shipping department and gives an address, so I didn't know who it was from. So I opened it up. I thought it was my dog's bed that goes outside, like the waterproof, and no, once I start taking things out, I'm like, oh, this is the Zeesea, however you pronounce it, the box. So that's what it looks like. It is Thursday, February 24th, and it is 9:35 at night when I'm filming. Yeah, this is the first time I was able to actually sit down. All right, so like I said, it's $40 a month, and last month I really did like it. So let's take the two things that's inside. So it came like this. I love the packaging, you know, that way nothing gets broke or anything like that. Now, last month I noticed there was no card. There's no card this month either. So I'm just going to take everything out. And I keep these because it's good when I ship things, you know what I mean? Really, really nice. I wish more companies did that. All right, we received 5 things. Now, last time there was some skincare and it was a palette. There's a palette this month. So I'm surmising every month you get kind of like a palette or something. All right, so the first thing I see is Honey Beauty. This is a long wear light foundation. That's weird that there's a foundation in a beauty box because they don't have a profile or anything for you to fill out. Oh, really quickly, I do have a discount code. It's just Ann in all caps. I don't make anything out of it. It's for you guys to save you some money off of their whole website. So if you just want to purchase their makeup or their beauty box. I forgot to tell you that last time. All right, let me get my knife so I can cut this open because that's plastic on it. Everything is like in a different language, so I can't like read it. So maybe the honey, I guess it's Honey Beauty, but I can't tell what the shade is. So we'll see when I open it. Okay, so that's the box. It says Honey Beauty, and see how like it's in a different language, so I can't read anything. Oh, I'm always dropping stuff. Oh, that's nice. It looks a little dark, but if it's a light coverage, it might be okay. It expires in 2024. But yeah, I'm looking for the shade. I just don't see the shade name. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a pump. Good, good. I thought it was going to be one of those like applicators. Okay, so let's just see. All right, so that's what she looks like. So it looks a little dark, but I'm going to kind of like really blend it in and see, because if it's like a lightweight, it might just, you know, get, and that's exactly what it's doing. So when I rubbed it in, it will go with my, it'll go with my face color. And it doesn't have a lot of coverage, I can tell you that right now. But it does say like, oh my God. No word, I promise I haven't been drinking. It does say lightweight, so you can see, I can still see my veins and everything. It reminds me more of a BB cream. So when it's something like that, a BB cream, CC cream, stuff like that, I don't mind that it's a little darker, because then it like kind of like blends out anyway into your skin, you know. But let me get this off because you guys know I'm going to get it everywhere. I do know, like with the Korean skincare and their makeup, they do like a lighter coverage, you know? So, okay. I'm definitely going to try it because for those no makeup days and different things like that, I'm digging it. Okay, so we have that. So far, so good. I like it. Okay, the next thing is a mascara. This is from them. It says Zeesea, and it's in black. So you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. So like today, I have 3 different mascaras on. So I go through mascara. So I don't mind getting, like I'll take a mascara every single month, you know? All right, so that's what it looks like, the packaging. Really nice. I want to see what the wand looks like. Oh, good. So it's like one of those regular wands, you know? Okay. Oh, that smells like mascara. I don't know why I smell the mascaras. I have no idea. But it doesn't like stink, but it smells like mascara, you know? Okay, so we have that. The next thing looks like, oh, we got this last month. This is the Dessert Time Eyebrow Pencil. I believe it says made in China. I believe it's in taupe. It doesn't, you know, because I can't read it. But we got this last month. And not that I'm knocking it because I use eyebrow pencils, but I don't want the same thing we got last month, you know? Yep, it's the same thing. Let's see if it's the same color. Maybe it's a different color. So this side here, you have the spoolie. Okay, and that's what she looks like. Maybe last month we got the one that's like the micro. This looks like a little darker too. And this is more of like the angle. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not like that little circle. So maybe that's the difference. I don't know, but okay, so we have that. 2 more things. The next thing is this thing. I have no idea what this is. So let's open her up and see. I do know they have beautiful like packaging and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll get some of those blushes and stuff like that, you know, especially for $40. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's back here says 01. Oh, it's a blush. It says sweet blush. Okay, let's see how you open it. Oh, that's pretty. It says hello. See if you guys can see. Hopefully you can see. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's really nice. All right, that's going in 1 time. Let me go and deepen it up just so that you guys can see the color. Okay, so that's going in 3 times. It's very pretty. Remember, this is a Korean brand, or I'm not sure if it's Chinese, Korean, what have you. But I do know, like, they're more of a softer look. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, we have that. I like that. And last but not least, we have a palette. And their palettes are really, really good. I just love, love, love the packaging. This is the Fireworks 16 color eyeshadow 07. I mean, just look at that. That's the box. Oh my God. It's like holographic. It's just gorgeous. I know I keep saying it, but it's so true. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. And it has this thing where, let's take that off. Look at that. Yes. That's satisfying. I mean, look how gorgeous that is. All right, let's see what the inside looks like. That's the most important part. So you have a mirror. You know, you would take that off. Oh, so cute. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's what she looks like. Okay, let me do a few swatches. So now these 2 that I swatched look like they'll be more like a topper. So there's definitely different formulas. Wow, look at that one. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Like, look at that. So there's the different formulas. And then that is like a true, like, satin. Okay. So you do have some glitter here, which you guys know how I feel about the glitter. Yeah, it's just mainly glitter. So you'll definitely need a glitter glue. All right, let's do a couple of the mattes. Here's 2. Look at that. Yes. That's going in one time. And let me show you the detail. So like right here, you have a, I don't know if you can see it with my ring light. You have a paw print here, paw prints. Right here, you have a cat. Right here, you have like the cat nose. And I mean, it's just really cute. Right here, of course, I don't like glitter, pressed glitter in palettes, but that's a personal preference, you know, but it's really pretty. And the formula really is good. Okay, so get this off my finger. Let's recap everything that we got in February's box for $40. So we have the eyeshadow palettes. We have the blush. We got an eyebrow pencil that we got last month, but now that I'm looking at it, oh, I think I wiped it off. It's a darker color, and I think it's like a different shape. However, I don't want to keep getting eyebrow pencils. You know, I want to try something else from their website, right? So we have that. We have a foundation. I think it's pretty good because it's a very lightweight. So depending on your color now, if you're a lot darker than me, it might be a little too light. But having said that, not everybody, but there'll be a majority of people that can kind of make it work. I think. I'm not sure. I'll try it on my daughter and I'll let you know. And what else did we get? Oh, and we got the mascara. I think it's pretty good. Is it worth the $40? I think the value is there. Like, you definitely get your $40 worth. You know, we're used to, like, the people that get our subscription boxes or beauty boxes, we want at least double or triple the value, of course, right? But I definitely think that it's worth the money. You don't pay for shipping. At least I don't pay for shipping. If you use my code, JustAnn in all caps, saves you some money off. And, yeah, I'm satisfied. Like, I'm going to keep it going and see what next month's box is. It's something different. And I love the fact that they put a foundation in here. And I just love their eyeshadow palettes. I hope we get it every month. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth the $40? Let me know what your thoughts are. All right, guys, that is everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second, or dislike it. Comment. Commenting helps me out too. So let me know what you think of the box. Let me know how your day's going. Leave an emoji. All right, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. All right, I thought it was a pretty good month. I'm definitely excited to see what next month brings. I wish they'd put a card in there with prices and all that kind of stuff.